Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Only Bio. In this segment, we are going to talk about something that is called as bad breath, technically called as halitosis. Friends, this information can help you for your personal hygiene and avoid up from halitosis. Foul smell from the mouth in technical terms is known as halitosis. The main cause of halitosis in most of the cases is poor oral hygiene. Tartar accumulation leads to infection and inflammation of the gums. Bacteria multiply in the inflamed gums. They derive their nourishment in organic debris present in the plaque and food debris. During the breakdown of organic debris, foul smelling gases are released and this causes halitosis. Some studies have shown that bacteria in the oral infections or deposits on the tongue cause the formation of volatile sulfur compounds, like the hydrogen sulfide. These volatile sulfur compounds cause bad breath. If there are infected teeth present in the mouth, then these also cause halitosis. Food particles get trapped in the dental cavities and putrefy. Putrefy is a kind of decompose, decay, and release the foul smelling gases. Thus, dental or oral infection of any kind and lack of oral hygiene can cause halitosis. Some people who wear dentures experience bad breath. However, dentures by themselves do not cause any bad breath. Lack of hygiene around the denture causes bad breath. Dentures, that is artificial teeth, are not as smooth as the dental enamel and therefore more tartar tends to get accumulated around them. Over a period of time, this causes bad breath. Dentures, either fixed or removable, must be fabricated in a good quality material which is smooth and does not attract too much of plaque. Excessive deposits on the tongue and some medical conditions also causes bad breath, although this is rare. Medical conditions that can cause an odor from the mouth are uncontrolled diabetes, sinusitis, chronic bronchitis, emphysema, upper respiratory tract infections, oral cancers, cancer of the upper respiratory tract or esophagus, etc. Alcohol consumption also causes bad breath. Excessive consumption of some foodstuffs like onion and garlic, some kinds of papads, and alcohol consumption can also cause bad breath. However, bad breath caused by ingestion of such foodstuffs is transitory and generally lasts for a day or two. It is therefore a good habit to avoid such foodstuffs before any important meeting or presentation. Smoking and tobacco chewing, however, cause permanent bad breath. The vast majority of cases of halitosis respond very well to scaling of teeth, that is, removal of tartar from the surface of the teeth and maintained by institution of a regular oral hygiene protocol. Tongue cleaners can be used, albeit in a gentle manner, to remove the deposits on the tongue. In case if tartar accumulation is excessive, then gum surgery of some kind will be required. If halitosis is because of some other dental cause, then it should be attended to. For example, cavities must be filled up, teeth having larger cavities must be capped. If an improper artificial tooth is the cause of the problem, it must be rectified, or a new denture, either a fixed or removable, must be fabricated. Besides regular scaling, dental checkups are a must. Those who wear dentures must see to it that their dentures are kept clean. Removable dentures must be removed at night. They must be cleaned thoroughly and must be kept in water with an effervescent powder overnight so that the denture is clean. It is also necessary to remove the denture at night so that the teeth supporting the denture can be cleaned thoroughly. A clean denture and proper oral hygiene will ensure that the denture provides long service and the chances of halitosis are greatly reduced. Similar care must be taken of a fixed prosthesis. A fixed artificial denture like a bridge or an implant must be kept absolutely free of plaque by flossing and other oral hygiene aids. A fixed bridge must be fabricated in such a manner that there is sufficient flossing space between the dummy tooth and the gum. Nowadays, there are a few refreshing mouthwashes available. The rinsing action of cosmetic mouthwashes removes some food particles while the fresheners simply mask the odor. Mouthwashes need not be used routinely. Therapeutic mouthwashes are prescribed by dentists for particular diseases like the tooth decay, periodontitis, gingivitis, bleeding of gums, plaque, etc. They contain specific ingredients for tackling the oral diseases. In acute problem, it could be treated by appropriate therapeutic procedures like scaling, deep cleaning below the gums, etc., and maintained by proper oral hygiene. A clean and healthy mouth will not have any odor. The first treatment, the best remedy, and the ultimate prevention of halitosis is oral hygiene. So, friends, do take care of your teeth. As it is rightly said, if you're true to your teeth, then they wouldn't be false to you. So, friends, hang on with this channel for many more series. Keep studying, keep progressing, and please subscribe if you haven't. And thank you so much.